For stopping by and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to check out the vendors at MoparFest. So here we're entering the art supply vendor section. Coming up on my left is one of the souvenir shops. Here they'll have t-shirts, hats and other souvenir products. Here's one of the many t-shirt shops around the event. So we found that there's many vendors selling all the old Chrysler parts. So this section was bigger than what we thought it would be. We'll be going up and down the aisles showing you most of the vendors. So if you want to see the cars from the show, this isn't the video for you. I have another video on the cars.
Plastic, all the little, yeah, clips. We'll put here. $7,000. American, unfortunately.
People in Ottawa, they like spending other people's money, but not their own.
Short box. It's loaded.
318 fuel injection.
It's got the V8 name.
Yeah. And that's
landing at some beach, right?
We were in Hamilton Airport. They got a museum in there. The airport.
I should have brought my old tires and my intake manifold.
Yeah, it's all twist up caps and cans.
Toy Western guns from 50s TV shows. Nobody's buying them now, so nobody remembers the show. So, I gotta wonder.
the French guy had
You feel like it won't.
Love nuts in it already.
I tied a knot in your neck.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
I'm not
Thank you. Here, I'll give you another bag. Bag. You don't need it, sure? First one I saw. And this way you have it. This way when you do
How did you know? Well, I guess he got the last cans last year.
Well, I've been down to the States a few times.
I'm surprised we don't bump into each other.
I wasn't at Carlisle this year. Number of
Yeah. No? What's it in? I like the I think we don't easy.
650. 5 megs.
Okay, so you're back over.
I got a little
Reach over.
Yeah, I was waiting for you to say that too loud. Yeah.
Tools.
Yeah. Does have a lot of space. Things are small. One thing to set it up is another thing to get it all into the finish. So in other words, if you're paid by the hour, you'd be like that's way lower than minimum. Oh yeah.
That's the one that's in the fire pit, right?
Stuff to clean your car. Huh? No.
We got a picture of it?
That's why if you got a smaller one and put it on the side, you're going to put like that one on the side.
No, I don't want to. I put that through for
Yeah, trusted mode.
We just get the RAM on.
You go for a
Well,
walk.
you could get a RAM and get another one of these.
Do we need another one of those?
Well,
Okay, Alden, talk to you later.
Just an hour, just to move from one spot.
Last year.
when we do go back, butter and jam and
Last year, sure.
Yeah, you're local. I called the show to find out.
Some Super Duke.
Racers, right?
383 4-speed. $57 here. Canadian Tire used to sell it back in the day. Canadian Tire used to sell it back in the day.
Thanks, Russ. Yeah, no problem. What was the ultimate question again?
340 or 360?
You don't want a car seat? I mean, Matt?
No.
See that shirt? Super Bowl? Isn't that your...
No.
I just want
that now.
Built him a motor. He's
No,
since changed
no.
his mind. He's not putting it in there. It's a stroke plate.
And air filters, the covers, rims, tires, Goodyear, polyglass. They're old. Tail lights, heads.
So he ended up selling me that because he bought a 67 Saturn.
Oh, the trim for a shaker hood.
Nice meeting you, John. Just to let you know how it works out.
It's all cleaning products. Keychains. Hat.
No.
Which one? Oil. The oil cap. Yeah.
It's all in here. Oh, the gaskets and stuff. Sign.
Like they were pulling teeth.
What you got, a Charger, an A body, or B body?
Okay, I thought it was here. Yeah, anyway, it was really nice to meet you. Yeah, send me Court. Okay, perfect. But the guy, if you look at the front, there's a row or so over there. Yeah, okay. And it's sort of to the side.
Yeah, they got the saw. Yeah, they put the Gen 3 Hemming right there. Challenger. This guy sells all the nuts and bolts.
Hey, you want me to look at that guy? Because then we can get him. Well, it's time in the show. That was nice when we were in the show. By that, yeah.
I was going to do it this year. I bailed on him, so now I'm I could have left. But, again. And,
yeah, but it's 80. Oh, I think, well, I got it.
It's kind of weird, but it's kind of fun. If I knew it would fit mine, I would buy it.
Eventually. Auto paint restoration. Barracuda. This guy's putting a new engine, new Gen 3 Hemi engine in the older Challenger. Are we gonna look at all the fenders first? Yeah. Go win this 73 Dodge Challenger. Custom license plates.
Because it goes by how many letters?
E-Boss Garage.
Yeah. Yeah, those are all.
Do you have any way to order online?
I do,
Where?
yeah. DeBossGarage.com, 10% off for.
Yeah, I don't want them though.
I don't.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I hope to see you in our next video.